Hi, this is how to clear cookies on Google Chrome. Cookies are site data that has been saved under your local device. In order to clear this data, you'll have to go to your settings, go to privacy and security, scroll down, go to cookies and other site data, scroll down again, and click this one, see all data. In here, you could see all the site cookies that has been saved under your local device. If you want to delete a cookies of a particular site, you could scroll down and look for it here and just click the trash icon on the side like this one. And if you want to delete everything all at once, you can just go back up and click this clear all data. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.